Hi, everyone. All right, we are going to start lesson 17 in Ready Reading, connecting words and pictures in informational text. And today we're going to be working on pages 282, 283, 284, 285, and 288. So in this lesson, you're going to read about inventions, and you're going to use information from photographs, maps, and the text to better understand the topic. So, informational texts often include illustrations and maps to help you better understand what is written in the text. Illustrations, of course, are pictures that explain something, and maps are drawings that show you where things are located. So, up here with our learning target, it says using information from both the pictures and the words in a text will help you understand what you read. Texts use words and illustrations or pictures to provide information in a passage. Illustrations can also include photographs or maps. Maps are drawings that show the cities, roads, rivers, and other details of an area. By thinking about both the words and the pictures, you will better understand what you are reading. You can use the information from both the words and the pictures to tell what you've learned. So let's look at this page. It is from a booklet about campgrounds at Pleasant Lake. What do you learn from both the words and the map? So here, of course, we have a picture and a map of Pleasant Lake. And I'd like you to take a look at here, of course, you have a compass rose, right? And at the bottom, it says, at Pleasant Lake, you can enjoy boating, fishing, water skiing, and swimming. The lake is located 15 minutes from Mount George. Campsites are available. Call 111 1212 now. And as you take a closer look at this picture and the words that are underneath the picture, I want you to think about what information you got out of the picture and what information you got from the words and how the two support each other. So let's take a look at page 283, where it says think here in green. Look again at the page from the booklet. Complete this chart to show what you learn from both the words and the map. So it's going to ask you what the words tell you and what the map shows. So of course you're going to complete here on the left side what the words tell you, and one has been started. What you can do at Pleasant Lake is listed there. So you're going to complete this side, and you're going to complete the right side, what the map shows. And you can pause the video while you are completing this organizer, and then we will proceed. All right, everyone, we are going to proceed to page 284. And so now you are going to take a look at a newspaper article with a photograph. And so first we're going to read it together so that you can see what it's about. And then you're going to read it again to more deeply understand its contents. And I want you to focus also on the pictures and how it helps you understand what the words are telling you. So, there are a couple of questions I would like you to think about as you are reading this article today. So, I'd like you to think about who invented the device. What does part of the device listen to? And what does the speaker do? So, again, who invented the device? What does part of the device listen to? And what does the speaker do? And you are going to see the purple close reader habit box where it says to underline sentences that describe the two parts of the device and then circle the two parts of the device in the photo. All right, so we are on page 284, starting with paragraph 1 here. This article is entitled, "The Invention That Dogs Are Barking About." Here we go. Do you know what your dog is saying when it barks? Now you can find out. A toy company in Japan has invented a tool that can tell you one part of the device listens to the dog's bark. Then it sends the information to the owner's handheld speaker. The speaker plays a message telling how your dog is feeling. It can show 6 different feelings, including joy, sadness, excitement, and fear. The gadget comes with some extras too. For example, it has dog training tips and a health checklist. It also has a bow wow diary. It can even record barks when the dog is home alone. All right, so proceeding to page 285, it says, how do the words and the photograph help you understand how the device works? So it says to complete the chart with details from the words and the photo. So again, we're going back to what the words are telling you and what the photograph shows. And here with this little think bubble, it says illustrations can help you understand the words in the article. Combine information from both as you read. You are also on page 288 going to be able to offer a short response to this prompt. Use the photo to describe what the handheld piece looks like and what you think each part does. And again, this is on page 288. Here is your hint. Reread the words to help you understand what you are seeing in the photo. And page 288 looks like this, and this is where you will offer the short response. So we will come back together for any last minute questions before we get started.